Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will show you how you can view all your Facebook subscribers. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your likes for sure, and also write your comments. So, let's get down to our topic. First of all, open the Facebook application. Next, you will need to go to your profile, and to do that you will need to click on your image at the top under the word Facebook. Next, you'll need to click on the three dots next to the word change. And then, when you go to your profile settings, this is where you'll need to find your activity log. Next, you'll need to click on Connections. Here you'll scroll down a little bit and you'll find Subscriber Management. And next, you'll need to click on Filter at the top. Next, you'll click on Categories. And now you're going to select the second category. This is the people that are subscribed to you. And this is where you'll be able to see the people that are subscribed to you. I don't have people subscribed to me at the moment, so I have this empty here. But if you have people subscribed to you, you'll be able to see absolutely all of your subscribers by the date and time they subscribe to you. That's how simple this is, folks. You'll be able to see all of your Facebook subscribers. I really hope this video was helpful to you. Please don't forget to put likes, write comments, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.